Civil War.
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna be doing a Halloween look. I've collabed with a few girls and we're doing a Glam-O-Ween series. Well, Glam-O-Ween collab, and this theme is gonna be a circus theme. So I'm gonna be doing like a puppet doll look for you guys today. So as you can see, I started with a black eyeliner, just a regular Wet n Wild black eyeliner, and I'm just gonna draw a funny looking brow. Now I'm going to be doing the same to the other brow. And for the other girls, I'll be leaving their link in the description below. So make sure you go check their link out also. We have the ringleader, which is Dolly. She is the one who came up with the idea. And we have the bearded lady. We have a clown, a bird lady, and then we have the puppet doll. So now here I am acting silly, but we're gonna conceal these crazy brows. We're gonna be using golden concealer. Well, the brand is Clinique and the shade is in golden. I really love Clinique brand. I heard their foundation is really well. I heard their foundation works really good. So yeah, I'm just going in with the concealer and just carving out the brows only at the bottom. So now I'll be going in with my Maybelline Super Stay foundation. Not sure what shade this is. I'll put it in the description below. But I'm going in with the big fluffy brush from my Morphe collection. I'm just putting it all over my face. Now I'm going to be using the e.l.f. concealer. All the products that I've used, I'll put it in the description below. So you can go ahead and check that out. But I put the e.l.f. concealer under my eyes. I'm just gonna blend that out. Blend, blend, blend. Now I'm going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty powder, setting powder. And I'll be setting all the concealed areas with this setting powder. So my nose, under my eyes, my chin. And just tap that in. Now I'll be going in with a darker shade powder from Black Radiance, and this is just to bring back some dimension in my face. I'm just going to put that all over the areas that I did not put concealer. I'm now going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills blush trio, and I'll be putting that on the apples of my cheeks. Now we'll be using the ColourPop, the white concealer, and I'm going to be putting that under my eyes. I'm going to blend that. This is just to create a wider eye, and now I'm going to be setting it with the white shadow from the James Charles palette. And I'm going in with my NYX black liner to line the bottom of that white concealer. Now I'll be going in with the same NYX liner, and I'll be lining the top of my eyes. I'm gonna be drawing a wing. If you guys would like a more detailed wing look, let me know in the comments below. But here, I'm just connecting the line and filling it in. Now I'll be taking the NYX white eyeshadow base, and I'll be putting that on my waterline, and also add a little to where I put the ColourPop concealer. Give it a little more pop. Now I'm going in with a black eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna go around the eyeliner just to create a little shadow and just smudge that all around. Now I'll be adding some lashes with my NYX liner. Just gonna do small, fast little strokes to create some lashes. Now I'll be contouring my nose, and I'm going in with the black Radiance contour palette, dark deep, and I use the darkest shade. It's going all the way up to the bridge of my nose. Also, you can see on the side of my cheekbones, I did a little contouring. I wanted it to be really defined. Now I'll be taking the purple, a nice deep purple, and I'll be putting that in my crease. I'm just gonna tap that on with a small detailed brush, and then I'll be blending that out. Right here, I took a nice neon pink, and I just placed that in the inner portion just to give it a little more lift. I'm just gonna blend that in with the purple. Then I'm gonna use a clean brush and diffuse all that at the top so it can look more blended. Now I'll be going in with this pretty shimmery purple shade. I'm just gonna put that all on my lids. And here I'll be taking a black Wet n Wild liquid lipstick, and you'll see at the closer to the end of this video, I changed the purple lipstick color. I wasn't feeling it, like a more of a nude color. But yeah, I'm just outlining my lips with the black liquid liner. I wish that it had set matte, but it's glossy. So here I am just using a black matte shadow, and just drawing the puppet lines down my mouth area or on my chin. I'm just using a detailed brush, real simple. Now I'll be taking that same Wet n Wild liquid lipstick, and I'll be putting that on my forehead and under my eyes to create like cracks going in my face, and a spider crawling down on my cheekbones. And I'm using a detailed brush, and then later on I'll be using a liner to draw the little crack lines and the spider legs. So here I wiped my purple lipstick off, and I'll be using like a nude lipstick from MAC. The name will be in the description below. But I'm just gonna do like an ombre effect. There it is. Okay, now guys, here is my lashes from my cosmetic line that I'll be launching at the end of this year. And this is one of my boxes. I haven't got my logo or labeled it as yet. So, but this is a nice little fluffy lash. It feels so good to say my lashes. Here, I use the duo glue. Just putting it on. So pretty. Now I'll be going in with the crayon case honor roll highlighter, and I'll be using a small brush just to put that on my nose, bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, Cupid's bow, and my cheeks. Look at that glow. Nice. Now here comes the fun part. This is a closure unit made by me. I have a hair business, stitchedbyjam.com. I'll put it on the screen so you guys can go and check it out. But I sell hair bundles, virgin hair bundles, and I make custom units. Here I'll just be teasing my hair so it can look a little crazy. So now I'll be adding accessories to my hair. This flower has eyeball in it, and I got it from the dollar store, and also these clips from Walmart. I think will go really good with this look. I'll be putting my hair in 2 pigtails to give off that doll look. So here is the final look. Thank you guys for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment for future videos. Thank you. Bye guys.